Let's talk now for iPad Pro. Is it good for students? The short answer is yes, but let me explain. The specific model that I am referring is 12.9-inch 4th generation released by Apple in 2020. Remember that what I will say for this model applies to iPad Pros from 2018 to the most recent one. There is almost no change for this purpose. I have been using iPad Pro for over 2.5 years now. Was it worth the investment? Let me tell you what the iPad Pro does well and its limitation. This review is oriented toward its use case in education and learning. One of the key elements in studying during university is taking notes during the lectures. In this aspect, iPad Pro shines. There are several note-taking apps worth mentioning here, but the two most common ones are GoodNotes 5 and Notability. They are great, but you have to pay to get the full features. I have used Apple Note app, which is free. It is developed by Apple and it works great. Let me show you that in action. As you can see here, this is the Apple Note app. This one here. And here is a note that I solved a problem for one of my students. And as you can see, you can include also pictures, PDFs, etc. and rewrite and write as you want in real time. You can do also shapes, for example, triangles, stars. Let me do it perfect. No, let me try again. Yes, I did it. Okay, also some sort of clouds or some sort of thinking. No, it's another cloud. Some sort of thinking. Okay, as you can see, or you can use the variety of different pens, but also you can use a ruler. For example, if you want to draw a line, take like this with the angle. As you can see, it shows the angle. And so much more that you have here. You can add text, for example. It's made by Apple and it does the basic fundamental things great related with learning. Of course, to use the Apple Pencil, to use the Apple Note-taking app, you should have the Apple Pencil or some third-party ones, but I recommend the Apple Pencil from Apple because it works the best. A key feature of the iPad Pro that makes it fluid during writing with Apple Pencil is its amazing 120 Hz display. There is no lag at all. But does it replace the experience of writing in a real paper? No. But it gets the job done. And none of the notes loses unless you lose the iPad itself. And the possibility to correct and add new information at any time aesthetically is possible by iPad. Another key aspect of studying is the reading process. Here iPad Pro takes the lead due to the possibility of having as much digital information as you need whenever you need it, and make notes into the PDF files. Also, due to the big screen, you can open both the lecture slides and the PDF books and the Apple Notes app, or make notes directly on the material that you are reading. It is great in this aspect. Some general things to add here for iPad is that battery lasts very long, 10 hours for those tasks, and the screen in dark mode is very eye-friendly. Standby mode, you never need to turn it off. It is extremely power efficient. If you decide to buy one, my recommendation is to equip the iPad Pro with a physical keyboard. There is an Apple option, the Magic Keyboard if I'm not wrong, or third-party options like this Slim Folio Pro from Logitech. When you buy from third parties, always check the compatibility with your model that you choose to buy. For what else is good the iPad Pro? It's great for content consumption, like Netflix, YouTube, I don't know, Facebook, Instagram. And due to its powerful processor, it is also good in gaming. Me, personally, I do not like so much at this age, but when I was young, I would love to have this powerful device to game on it. With all those good things, is there any limitation? Unfortunately, yes. The biggest one that I want to mention here is the Office 365, or Word, Excel, PowerPoint in other words, which is a simplified version that lacks a lot of function of the full version that you get in the laptop Word. Dear Apple, please bring that full version of it to the iPad, because we all know that the iPad is fully compatible of handling it. With this statement, we close this video. Hope it helps you to decide if you need one of these devices. Look forward to see you in the next video. Up until there, peace.